This new addition to our pre-owned lot is a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Lone Star Crew Cab. One owner and a clean CARFAX. This truck features the Bighorn Level 2 equipment group, heated driver and passenger seating, heated steering wheel, all-terrain tires, electronic locking rear axle, hill descent control, HD shock absorbers, underbody skid plates, front tow hooks, power folding heated exterior mirrors, and front and rear rubber floor mats. This truck is a treat to drive, and you won't be disappointed with all of the included features. Stop into Williams Honda at 945 County Road 64 in Elmira, New York.